Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this cassava, and we're gonna make cassava chips. So watch out and see how I'm gonna transform this cassava to chips. Right away, we're just gonna cut this cassava in two, and we peel. Just gonna remove the first layers. These are the skin, need to be removed. Just follow up. So this is it. This is how to peel it. Almost done. Just follow up with the layers. So it's done. These are all the cassava. This is how this cassava is already peeled. Just have to take them out and clean up everywhere before we start the slicing. So it's time to slice it. So this is the one I have to use for the slicing. Just like this. So this is it. These are all the sliced one. So I'm gonna work with it, every one of them like this, before I will show you the rest process. So I finished the slicing. These are all the slicing. This is how it will look after you slice them. So the main thing now is to put them inside the water for at least 10 to 24 hours inside the water. So this is my clean bowl. I just have to add water, cold water. So now just have to put them inside this water. Take out from it the starch and so many other things before I can fry it. So just have to leave it for 24 hours or 10 to 24 hours. All the starch will be out, and then we will start the frying process. This is the cassava chips, the one we sliced yesterday, and we soak it for a whole full day. So now it's time to take it out from this water. You can see how it has become. You see, this is the chips. Before we fry it, we have to take it out of this water and strain it. Then after we strain it, that is when the frying will start. So this is it now. You just have to take them all out from the water and let all the water from it strain out before we fry it. This is one of the chips you will love. Oh, it's not everyday food you can find everywhere, but trust me, this is one of the in short, just try it out in your home and you will testify. It's very good, very, very good. It's so crunchy. Anyway, wash out for this is the water. I'm just going to throw that water away and let all the water strain out from here. Then after you see it's straining. After all, then that is when we will start the frying. It's very crispy when frying, so Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. I'll see you when I start the frying process. So this is the cassava chips. Right away, I just have to add a little bit of salt for the seasoning. Add the salt. Just have to mix everything together. So this is for this. Just do that, and we just have to add oil to this frying pan. So this is it. We just wait for the oil to boil before we can start adding all the chips. The oil is very hot now, so it's time to start adding these cassava chips to this very oil. So this is it. We just have to let it cook before we start to bring them out. It's very well fried now, so it's time to start taking them out from this very hot oil. Take them out. This is cassava chips. This is it. This is all the cassava chips. It's still very hot and so crunchy. See how crunchy it is. See, so crunchy. So let me start frying. It's fried now, the cassava chips, so I just have to take them off. It's time to serve it. So this is the cassava chips. It's ready to serve. Right away, I am going to show you how I am going to serve these cassava chips. So this is it here, and I will tell you how I made the dip for the cassava chips. I will show you that also. Let me fill up the cassava chips. So this is it. This is the cassava chips, and this very dip here is called tuna and spinach dip. This is so good. Oh my god, you should make this for your kids, everyone in your family at home. It's a very delicious, crunchy, so extremely crunchy. When I say crunchy, you see, very crunchy. See, you'll not be tired of eating it. So thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, and thank you, and see you with another great recipe. Bye for now. So this is the outcome of the dip. And you use the dip, carry it the way you want. This is the dip. It's very good.